Hello you guys, it's lovely one Ashley, and today I'm doing another mask, but this one is the Black Seaweed Peel-off mask. Okay, it says it's a deep pore detox easy peel mask. So I got this from Five Below for $1.99. So I'm gonna try this and see how it works. I don't really have a stand for my phone, so I'm gonna try to hold the phone. I'm gonna try to hold the phone and put this on my face at the same time. So we'll see how it works. If it's not working out, then I'm just gonna have to set it down and then come back later. Ew, it's kind of sticky. Yeah, I can't see real good because I don't have my glasses on, but it smells like some dish soap. It smells like dishwashing liquid. Something. I'm gonna put this on. Okay, so I'm gonna have to stop the video and then come back once I have it on. Okay, so I'm back and I applied the mask and it was kind of sticky when I was putting it on. What's on my lip? Like it was kind of sticky and then it was drying kind of fast, and I did use the entire package, which seems like a lot, but I mean, I don't know, but I used the entire package of it, and I can feel it starting to dry in certain areas. It says leave it on for about 20 to 25 minutes, and I did get some on my eyebrows, so I just took a towel and wet the end of it and just wiped it off of my eyebrow, because I mean, my eyebrows are already thin, so I don't want to lose any more hair from them. So I'm just gonna wait 20 to 25 minutes and then I'll be back. Like as I'm talking, like I can already feel it tightening up like around here, but it's feeling kind of tingly like right here on my cheek area, especially on this side. I mean, I'm not sure why. I know I was kind of I don't know why it's kind of tingling right here, but it's tingling like right here on my cheeks, and that's about it. It's kind of just tingling like right up in this area, and it's itching right here. Like I want to scratch it so bad, but I don't want to mess up the mask, so I'm just gonna try and bear through it. Like it is itching so bad right there. But I'll be back in like 25 minutes. It's 8:51 now. I had it completely on like around 8:48, so I'll be back when it's time to peel it off. Okay guys, so it's been about 28 minutes or something like that, and it's really dry. Like when I feel it, it's so smooth to the touch. There's one spot and like a little bit has come off like around my mouth because I've been talking. Like I have 4 kids running around this house and I cannot just sit and be quiet for 25 minutes without somebody coming to ask me something or me telling someone to stop. So this part around my mouth is kind of coming loose a little bit. And I have one little spot right here that's kind of, it has like a thick little piece right there, but I'm not gonna wait for all of that to dry. It's like still a little wet, but I'm gonna go ahead and start peeling it off, and it's pretty easy to peel off. I guess I got a little hairs on the side of my face, but let's see. Like my 2-year-old was really scared of me. She was like, "Mama, is that you? Is that you? You scary." Okay. So this is the little spot that was kind of thick, still a little wet. So I'm just gonna peel that off. It felt real tight on my face, but it wasn't like real. It didn't hurt or anything when I peeled it off. And I can see a lot of stuff on here. Okay, so I can see some stuff that came out like on my chin area. I thought I would have had more to come off on my nose and my cheek, but it's not that much, so but yeah, I see a lot of stuff. Looks like a lot of whiteheads that came off. Okay, so I think that worked pretty well, but like I still see like some whiteheads right in here, right in there, right in here. And I mean, I don't know if maybe I need to just wash my face real quick. But I mean, like the parts that were kind of tingling when I first put it on, like after so many minutes, it started to kind of feel like a cooling sensation in those spots. I'm not really sure what that was all about, because my kids keep interrupting me. My daughter bought herself a lava lamp, and it just started to like, it just started to work, like the lava started flowing. So they keep coming in here saying, "Oh, Mama, come look at the lava lamp." And I'm like, wait a second, I'll be there in a minute. So I'm gonna just wash my face real quick with some water. And I would try this again, but I don't know, for some reason I feel like I need something that just like pull all of the whiteheads and blackheads out of my face. Now these right here are moles. I have like a lot of moles in my face. I'm not talking about, that's not what I'm talking about. Those are moles in my face. But I have like a lot of whiteheads and blackheads that I want out. And I can see them even on my eyebrow. Like, I don't know if you probably can't see on the camera very well, but I will try this again, but I'm gonna try and look for something that's a little bit more, that's a little bit stronger, I guess, in peeling the stuff out, because this was kind of just like easy. It just kind of gently peeled off of my face. And I mean, I really don't know if I need anything stronger, because I have sensitive skin, so it probably just like turns my face real red. But I'm gonna try and see if I can go to like Walmart or something and find something that's a little bit tighter hold to my face and peel it off. Now, I'm not going to try the DIY one, because like I said before, I don't want to have anything that's just like that. I don't know. They seemed like it was really painful when they were peeling it off. So I'm going to try to see if I can find something a little bit tighter, I guess, or it has a little bit more pull to it when I pull it off of my face. But I want to thank you guys for watching my video. I'm looking for my glasses. Okay, now I can see better. So, oh, it does look a little. I can see a little bit better difference once I put my glasses on, but still, I'm gonna try something that's that has a little bit more pull to it. So, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, try to have a nice day. Bye.